Hello students, welcome to week number 7. In week number 7, we are going to start working with Microsoft Excel, Module 1, creating a worksheet and a chart. So here you are going to learn how to do basic things in Microsoft Excel like creating some formulas, creating a chart, and style your spreadsheet. The assignment that you have to do for this week are at the end of Module Project 1, that is very similar to the one that you have completed for Word and PowerPoint. The SAM training, the SAM and the SAM exam. This is exactly the same thing that you have done before for Microsoft Word and for Microsoft PowerPoint. But this week you have a new assignment here that is the Keystone assignment, Module 1, Critical Thinking Project C. This one is similar to the other project that you have done, but this one is very important you to complete it, and I can use it as an extra credit for the student who will need it at the end of the class. This week is very important because it's the last week of the class. The only thing that you were missing after completing all this assignment is the final exam. Do not procrastinate and do your assignments on time. This time we don't have more time for extensions. So let's see what you have to do very fast here. I always recommend you to start doing the training because in the training you will see all the tasks here. If this is the first time that you are using Microsoft Excel, it will be very easy for you to go here and learn, for example, how to select a cell. When you click here,
Before working with a cell, select it to make it active. Pointing to the cell.
a video is showing you how to do the things, how to select a cell. For example, in this case, the cell that is selected here is the A2. The columns are named with letters, the rows are named with numbers, and the cell name is this one here, A2, because we are in column A, row number 2. And this one is in a green border. So this video is going to show you another example how to select a cell. After that, you practice it, how to select a cell, and you apply it. If you want to stop the video, you click here. If you want to play it again, you click
And
here.
clicking is the simplest way to select it. Click cell D22. A green border appears around the selected cell. The contents of cell D22 appear in the formula bar and
So it's explaining to you how to select a cell, what is the formula bar here, D22. You have to pay attention to the green border because this is the cell that actually you are selected. And after that, you practice and you apply. So here in the project, you are going to do exactly the same thing that you have done before. Instruction files, initial file. Remember that the file must have your name. When you complete all the actions that you have to complete in the instructions, you save your file here and you create your project here. So this is all that you have to complete for week number 7. If you have some questions, remember to come to the live session. Thank you.